They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Scott's Reviews, doing another product video. Today we're looking at Pintura. It's a multi-frame, as you see it here. Big, it's pretty big. Way to show off your pictures at home in a different style format. Now, you can go out and buy a picture frame on cloud system right now at Best Buy or whatever. Basically a one frame picture you can put somewhere and it kind of rotates through all your pictures, right? Well, this is going to be a 4-frame system working together in a whiteboard format that you can move around and turn and however you want to lay out your frames here, right here. We're going to unbox it right now. We're going to set it up. We're going to download the app. We're going to put my pictures on the app. We're going to shove it to the cloud. And then we're going to put them on the frame. And we're going to see what it looks like. All that kind of crazy stuff. And see if it's a good purchase decision for you. So if you come across this video and you're just searching around for multi-frame kind of systems and you heard about Pintura, don't just watch the video. Like, subscribe down below. Hey, stick around.
Hey, come here.
I have a
Look at
bunch
me.
of other
Hey,
videos behind
me.
me
What'd I say?
with a lot of different products. I do a lot of camera and speaker reviews. This correlates with my camera stuff because we take so many pictures on our phone and they live on our phone and they die on our phone. So this is a way to kind of bring them back to life, kind of put them forward so folks can actually enjoy them and see them in a different kind of format at home. So I'm excited to put this together and put this up in my house. All right, let's start unboxing. All right, it's weight-wise, the box, maybe 25 pounds. I'm guessing. It's very Apple-like experience so far. Let me get out the frames first. I'll put this down to the side. I'm sorry, the screens first, not the frame. The frame is a whiteboard, so we'll just pop out that. Instructions, definitely going to need that for this one, because how to put this together. This is a little TV screen, 10-inch and 13.3. All right, so the 10-inch and 13.3 frames is what I got here. There's 4 of them. That's it. Nothing else in the box here. All right, that is done. All right, this is the whiteboard. There is a input here for power. Yeah, all corners right here are power supply. There's a lot of spots here that will have mounting brackets to hang it on the wall. But you can also use it as a regular whiteboard. So you can use dry erasers. Accessory box. I can read. Oh, this is nice how it's laid out. Power adapter, spare parts, and wall mount. Let's see, how many power adapters do we get? All right. I like that it's white, not black. Which is good. I only see one, so maybe it's just one main one, depending on how you rotate the box or the whiteboard. Spare parts. He wasted all that space for this. That's a heck of a screw. Is that going in my wall? Wall mount, I like it. That is a big screw into the wall, so we're going to look into that. All right, they officially call it the charging board, a wall bracket. We have the power adapter. Looks like it says we need a pencil, a level, a drill bit. All right, we'll run through the instructions. Plug in the board and place the tablet on the red lights. Let's go find a spot to put this and mount it up. Hey guys, before I put this thing up permanently on the wall, I want to go ahead and kind of get the screens out and see what it looks like when it comes to life. So like that, there are your red lights. That shows you kind of where the screen needs to go. There are USB-C ports right there, so maybe we can do something separate with that. You can use it as a separate monitor. And there's a reset button. So there we go. Look at that. When something works this easy, I get pretty excited. Oh yeah. It kind of can hang off the edge a little bit, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But they're all powered on, so let's build the app and let's see how this works. All right, I'm going to do a screen record to show you what I'm looking at here. We're going to try to add these frames to this. All right, let's go to screens. No screen found. Click to add canvas. It's already showing me the screen, so I'm going to select all, connect to network. It needs my Wi-Fi. All right, all 4 have connected. Create a new screen group. Scott's reviews. Confirm. All right, I'm going to allow some access for right now. And we're going to just start selecting some photos. Lulu, you want to say hello to everybody? Is it Lulu approved? I'm going to put your picture on here. Let's get some pictures of you on here. So take a little while to upload all the photos. And when we're done, publish. That's a zombie drink I got over at Disney at the Trader Sam's. All right. So it looks like you program each one. It said like 50 photos per screen. There you go. That's a good example of selecting the right pictures to go with the right orientation of the frame. Like it's here, it's kind of smushing it down. So you really need to pick landscape style pictures, or vertical pictures should go something like this, and all your horizontal pictures should go into orientations like that. So it looks like you need to get a little more creative yourself about what pictures you put where and how you want them orientated. So I got some work to do by moving stuff around, but the clarity of these look great. Let me see if I can adjust anything right now. So you can change one into a calendar. So if you want just one to be like a calendar on your board and the rest to do photos, you can do that. You can just have a clock going with the time of day. That's pretty cool. Or you can go back to what they call it material, which is basically the photos. I'm gonna put one as a clock. And we have a clock. We have different brightness levels. I'm gonna go with regular. All right, sync play looks like it changes all the pictures at one time. All right, another thing you can do is they also give you some pictures you can add for a canvas. So if you got famous pictures like Rembrandt's, all that kind of stuff in here, that's a pretty one, I like that. Upload photos. There we go. Where's my cloud album? I'm gonna add these two. So there you go. So then you can, if you wanted to, you could just do all these beautiful pictures here, or you can add your own. Have a clock, have a calendar. It's really very creative on what you want to do with it. If you also had a business and you wanted to put like a menu, you could probably take a photo of your menu or upload something like that, and then shove it here to your album, and then shove it on here, and you could put a menu and then have run through pictures or whatever at your business. That's kind of cool. Like this is like, I think they got to fix. That's a great picture for that shot, but that's fine for that. But yeah, you gotta select the right photos for the right orientation. All right, now let's go find a place to put this thing. All right, so I have it set up in my living room or TV room. I just have it propped up on the side right now, but it could be a good spot for it. I went in and kind of picked the right pictures for the right orientation. Also, I'll show you right here where you can also go into each individual picture and crop and rotate. So you can take a picture that you want to put into a certain one and crop it and rotate it that way. It'll fit in the correct orientation that you like. Down here, I went ahead and put a calendar. I don't know how yet to change the look of the calendar, all that kind of thing, go by the week, month, day, whatever. I think right now it's just basically what it is right there. Maybe with an update later on, they'll kind of let you play with that. But you can see up there where I added some text. You can add text to certain pictures. You can actually adjust the settings of the picture with the brightness and give it a different look. That kind of thing for each individual picture. Very cool system. You can also use this as a whiteboard. So I can go ahead and get a black marker and write things down. What a fun device to use to showcase your photos in a multimedia format. Upload menus, whatever you can fit into a JPEG or make it a photo, it'll upload and you can display it at your work, home, or whatever. All right, that's it for this one. Like, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next review.